JBL Stage 1200D Review 2026. Watch this before you make a choice. Are you tired of mediocre sound systems that just don't deliver? You want to elevate your music experience with a powerful and reliable speaker system, /N for the best price, click the link in the description. But here's what surprised me: JBL Stage 1200D might be the perfect solution for those who demand more from their speakers. But before I dive into its impressive features, let me ask you this. Are you willing to compromise on sound quality just because of a lower price tag, /N? Therefore, if you're tired of settling for mediocrity, keep watching. We're about to uncover the truth behind JBL Stage 1200D. First off, let's talk about what sets the Stage 1200D apart from other speakers in its class. With its sleek and compact design, this system is perfect for those who want great sound without sacrificing style, /N. But what I found truly remarkable was its impressive power output, a whopping 2400 watts of pure, unadulterated energy that's sure to get any party started. But how does it perform in real-world scenarios? Let me tell you, the Stage 1200D delivers on its promise with crystal-clear highs and deep, rumbling bass notes that'll have you feeling like you're right there in the action. /N. Therefore, if you're a gamer, musician, or just someone who loves good sound, this speaker system is definitely worth considering. Now I know what you're thinking. Is it really worth the investment? Well, let me put it this way. If you value your ears and want an immersive audio experience that'll transport you to new heights, then yes, JBL Stage 1200D is more than worth it, /N. But don't just take my word for it. In the next section, we'll dive deeper into its impressive features and see exactly what makes this system tick. Let's get technical for a moment. The Stage 1200D boasts an advanced digital signal processor, DSP, that ensures pristine audio quality with every input, /N. But what I found particularly interesting was its compatibility with a wide range of devices from smartphones to laptops. This speaker system can connect and play just about anything you throw at it. Now, I've already mentioned the Stage 1200D's impressive power output, but let me give you some real-world examples of how it performs. /N. For instance, I tested it with a variety of music genres, from classical to heavy metal, and was blown away by its ability to reproduce every nuance and detail with crystal clarity. But what about connectivity? Well, JBL Stage 1200D has got you covered there too. With Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi capabilities, you can stream your favorite tunes wirelessly from anywhere in the room, /N. Therefore, if you're looking for a speaker system that's easy to set up and use, this is definitely one of the top contenders. Now that we've explored its impressive features, let's talk about what makes JBL Stage 1200D truly unique. From its sleek design to its advanced DSP, every aspect of this system has been carefully crafted to deliver an unparalleled audio experience, /N. But don't just take my word for it. In the final section, we'll explore some real-world applications and see exactly how this speaker system can elevate your music experience. In conclusion, if you're looking for a powerful and reliable speaker system that won't break the bank, JBL Stage 1200D is definitely worth considering, /N. But don't just take my word for it. Click the link in the description to get the best price on Amazon and see for yourself why this system has taken the audio world by storm. Note, the information provided about the product is based on publicly available data and may not be up to date or accurate.